Method of training the foreground mind: to prepare a new mind slice by practice of what exactly you want to do for 30 continuous days. In mindful japa, use golden commands of Srila Prabhupada to do concurrent chanting come hearing, and use diamond commands to re-anchor the mind if it goes away. That's it. This is foreground mind's training. Golden command: chant, and exactly same sound you hear. When you chant, you should hear. As soon as you chant, try to hear. Like this, so many, four quotes I have given, not exactly same words, similar. Diamond quote. What was the diamond quote saying? If the mind goes off from japa, simply chant loudly, fix your doing effort back on the nama. Don't bother about bringing back the mind or attention, etc. If you apply this fresh chesta, the mind and the attention automatically follow chesta. This is superior method of mind control with the help of Shakti from Krishna. This is diamond command.